Hello to you my gorgeous nail lovers, you're welcome back again to Nail Vibes, the channel as you always know that gives you the very best in nails fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you depending on your time and location. So in case I seen this channel for the very first time or you are yet to join this channel, please do hit the subscribe button and also turn on your bell notification so that whenever any videos uploaded here, you will be the first to be notified. So my gorgeous friends, I have the best compilations of Christmas acquiring art designs here in this video. So watch the video till the end so that you will choose the best light to make on your nails. Because as you can see, these nails are looking so top notch. They are so gorgeous and unique. So for this very Christmas, watch this video and make your choices because your nails must look good. Okay? And as you watch the video, kindly support it by hitting the like button. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your friends and your loved ones, and you can as well save it for your later use. Thank you guys so much. To my returning viewers who are always coming back to watch my videos and engage in my videos, I also appreciate you guys so very much for always supporting my channel. And trust me, your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Thank you guys so much for always supporting this channel. So if this is not really what you want, you can also go into my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch from there and make your choices. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Bye for now.